morning, you guys. Welcome back to a new video. So it is, what is today? It's Monday or Tuesday? It's Monday. I'm not feeling really good today. We still gotta go out and make it happen. So I'm about to leave out soon. I'm just warming up my breakfast real quick. I'm gonna eat that and then I'm gonna go outside. I'm already dressed and ready to go. I'm already behind this week. This is the second week of me being back uploaded, and I'm not even gonna have a video for today because I didn't do it this weekend. Yesterday I wasn't home at all, which is my fault because I could have stayed home, but I didn't want to. Now I'm behind, so I'm gonna upload tomorrow. The only reason the video is not done already is because I wanted to go to the store and buy some more cleaning stuff because I want to do a deep clean my apartment type video. Yeah, after I do my work for today, then I'm gonna run to the store and get some stuff. Then I'm gonna come home and film that video. I already know I'm gonna be extremely tired, but the grind don't stop. We're already behind, obviously, but I'm still gonna upload 3 times this week. Yeah, I'm not feeling good today. I don't know what to do. I feel like at one point in my life, I wouldn't say I had it all figured out, but I felt like what I was doing was right. And now I just feel so lost. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I feel so lost, bro. I just don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I should be doing. It's like nothing is helping. Like, you know how you'll get a sign or something? I just feel like I haven't gotten that sign. Maybe I'm being impatient. I was on Twitter and like there are other people around my age that feel the same way, and then like older people would be like, it'll all work out, and by the time you get to your 30s, you'll like have something set and you know you'll have it figured out somewhat. But it's like, what am I supposed to be doing so that I can get to that point to where I have it somewhat figured out and know what I'm supposed to be doing with my life? I'm not used to like not having things in order, so it's like really taking a toll on me and making me emotional. You know, I'm not gonna let it like get me down so much to where I don't, you know, like be productive and go outside and make money. And like I said, I really want to get back to like really being consistent with YouTube. So, you know, even though I'm going through what I'm going through, I still gotta keep pushing. So I did get an order, I think Thursday. Today is a holiday, so I couldn't ship the order out today, so I'm not even gonna worry about it right now. But once I come back in, I have so much to do. Once I come back in tonight, I'm gonna get this order done. This lady ordered a gloss jar, unscented, no oils, real easy. This is one of my favorite products to fulfill, so I'm gonna get that done later on, and I will show y'all that. I'm about to eat my breakfast real quick, and then I'll come back. Once y'all see me in the next clip, I'll be in the car. All right, so I finally got my first order, and it's actually pretty good. So I didn't get a screenshot, but it was $32.78, I think. I know it was $32 for sure. So I had to go to Michael's and Harris Teeter. I had to get 5 items out of there: some scissors, literally scissors, stickers, and Velcro. I would do this first watch order too, but I don't want to be late. I really would do it. Like it's literally around the corner. I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, so I don't know what the person from Harris Teeter got, but it shouldn't be too bad. It's 28 items. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and knock this out. So I found 1 item so far. This is what I have to get. Then I think this is another item. Foam stickers. Boop. Got the scissors. Boop. So they had 2 of these. And she wanted 2 of these, but they only have 1. All right, and we are done. I just finished that order. It was $32.94, but I did have to refund 1 item on the first one that y'all saw. And then when I went to Harris Teeter, I had to refund 3 items. It went down to $30.99, which is still good. We still got our 30, so I'm happy about that. We're up 30 so far. Today is starting off pretty good work-wise. Let's just hope that, you know, we can keep it up. Have a nice smooth going day. So I got my next order. This one is not really, it's not too good, but I'm just ready to move again. I'm tired of sitting here. So this one is $10 and it's a little over 6 miles, so it's not really that good. What was that? It's not really that good, but I'm just gonna do it. It's 2 items from PetSmart, and I don't know if I said it, but this is on DoorDash. So I'm about to go ahead and head over that way. This is what I had to pick up. Moti, 38 pounds. Oh my goodness. This is heavy, okay. Heavy. Alright, scan item barcode. Boop. Now let's find this food. I found it. It's right here. Alright, scan item barcode. Boop, and we are done. I just finished my last order up and I checked and I'm like, I'm at 52 on Instacart. I was just at 47.20. She just raised the tip up. So sweet, because it was literally just 16.20 or 16.24, something like that. Now it's 21.21. Ooh, and an angel number. I gotta look that up. That was so sweet of her. She did not have to do that. I appreciate it though. So we're at 62.20 now. So that is actually good. We've only done 3 orders. Yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all. That order was very fast. Only had to refund 1 item and the tip still stayed the same. And then she raised it up. So yeah, about to see what I can get next. About to get back to editing, so I won't have a lot to do at the end. And I'm about to finish watching a YouTube video while I edit and wait for another order to come in. So yeah, I will check in with y'all. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you really won't miss them. Yesterday went, it went really good. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and do this order real quick. I already let the jar sit in some soaking water, some cleaning water yesterday, so it is clean. I'm about to go ahead and end this video, but before I end it, I wanted to tell y'all how yesterday went. So it actually turned out amazing. Like, I was able to reach my goal. I didn't tell y'all my goal, but it was 150. The Publix order, that's the last thing y'all saw. So that one was originally like $17. I actually have it in here. It was $17.86. She increased the tip, so it went up to $22.86. And then after that, I did 3 more orders. I did a $31.64 order. It was 2 customers from Petco and Food Lion. That was really easy. And the second customer that I dropped off to, I actually have delivered to her before. The next order I did was $29.73. It was supposed to be $30.23, bro. I honestly regret taking this order. This order was horrible. After I got done with the 2 customer order, all I needed was $33. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do this because it'll get me really, really close to my goal. I should never did this. So it was 60 items. And when I checked, it was going to an apartment. So I knew it was going to an apartment, but I didn't know where the apartment like actually was located. I've been out there before, but I've never been to this building before. So I get out there and he lives in 1004. I'm parked right here, and then 1000 is right here. 1002 is behind it, and then 1004 is all the way in the back. So I had to walk all the way down the sidewalk to get to his apartment, open the door so that I can get in. Bro, it was bad. I was so tired. Like, this man, he got 6 cases of soda, the 12 packs, and 3 6-packs of Coke, and a whole bunch of bags and stuff, and 2 things of Monster. Bro, it was bad, but I took it because I wanted to get close. That one literally had me at 148. I was trying to debate if I wanted to do another one because I'm like, I'm so close to my goal, but I'm also very tired. I had pulled up an order on my phone, but I did not click accept. I feel like this was God. I don't know how I accepted this order because I did not click accept. When I looked down on my phone, it said transition in batch, but I did not click on it. So I ended up doing it, and it was actually one of the customers I delivered to earlier that ordered Michael's. So I dropped her stuff off. It was $12. So I ended the night with $158.50. So I did really good. So I'm about to drop this order off, go to the store, make some money, come back home, film another video, and yeah. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.